Yo! What's up mga kadugo ko dyan? Mga kadugo in English, same blood. I hope everybody is fine, doing okay, whatever they were, wherever they are, wherever you are. This is your boy, Super Eden here. It's our day 152. 152. Saying hi. Till we get famous. Thank you so much guys to my new followers. Thank you so much. We are now 150. So as my promise, if we hit 1,000 followers on TikTok, I shave my beautiful hair. Where is the beautiful hair? So that's it, Pansit. Thank you so much everyone. I love you all. Mama shoop shoop.